Iran's Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi has said that his Omani counterpart presented elements of a U.S. proposal for a nuclear deal between Tehran and Washington during a short visit to Tehran on Saturday. In a post on X, Araghchi said that Iran will respond to the U.S. proposal in line with principles, national interests, and rights of people of Iran. His statement comes ahead of an anticipated sixth round of talks between Washington and Tehran to resolve a decades-long dispute over Iran's nuclear program. The date and venue of talks have not been yet announced. The White House Press Secretary Karoline Leavitt has said that Trump made it clear to Iran that it can never obtain a nuclear bomb, although she declined to provide further details. On May 30th, Trump said that an Iran deal was possible in the not-too-distant future. Now, the development comes amidst a report by UN nuclear watchdog, which said that Iran had stepped up its production of enriched uranium, which is a key component in making of nuclear weapons. The International Atomic Energy Agency report had revealed that Iran was in possession of over 400 kg of uranium enriched to 60% purity, which is close to the 90% purity required for weapons-grade uranium. Now, the said amount is enough to produce 10 nuclear weapons if further refined, making Iran the only non-nuclear state producing uranium at this level. Earlier this week, Trump told reporters he had recently warned Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu not to take actions that can disrupt nuclear talks with Iran. Now, those comments appeared to signal U.S. concern that Israel might strike Iran's nuclear facilities while U.S. diplomatic efforts were underway. The talks between U.S. and Iran have been progressing since April, with Oman acting as the mediator. The discussion saw both highs and lows as U.S. officials insisted Iran to give up its nuclear enrichment facilities and demand Iran rejects the demand that Iran has rejected. Now, this was followed by Trump warning Iran to bomb its nuclear facilities if diplomatic efforts failed. Now, despite the ongoing negotiations between Tehran and Washington, the IAEA report offered no indication that Iran has slowed its nuclear enrichment efforts. Tehran denies that it is seeking a nuclear weapon, although it breached the 2015 agreement's limits that is designed to make it harder to develop an atomic bomb.